Hello world that is the internet. I'm out here today at the Cooking Lake Airport to play with C-FFOR. Now I know that sounds crazy, that's actually just the registration on my aircraft is C-FFOR. Anyways, today's pretty big for me. I bought this airplane a while back and it's been a nightmare getting it registered and dealing with federal agencies in general. Finally, I've got all the inspections up to date. And today is the first day we're going flying. So I'm pretty stoked. I actually have only flown it once when I test flew it. And I have only actually taken one actual flying lesson before. So I'm really excited today to be able to be doing this. And hopefully you enjoy this video. And yeah, we'll see you up in the air. Or during inspection, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Not a big aircraft. Yeah, we'll be friends, that's for sure.
Looking like traffic is Bravo Indy India, currently 3,500 feet over the narrows, inbound for the circuit, across midfield for a left downwind runway 28, full stop, clicking like traffic. Clicking like traffic, Tango Bill, Tango Tango, back plan 10. Clicking like traffic, RVS is outside of Bravo left pass, let's go under 28, yeah, I got you. Now I'm downstairs off of the, do you want me to turn around and let you guys go ahead? At 6,500 at Landfield, defensive 4,900 at Boeing, Northern. Looking like traffic, cross up, up to Tango, top of the position, runway 28. Nice traffic, up to Tango. Looking like traffic, up to Tango, roll it 28.
Well, there you have it. That was my first flight in my Cessna. It went really great. Had a few things we had to figure out, just because neither of us really had flown the plane before, but she flies great, and I look forward to doing my whole license in this aircraft, with the occasion of a few flights. But yeah, that's what there is to it. See you later.